Hi guys, back at it today with a new video. This one's gonna be short and sweet about one of the hobbies we all share in the shop, drifting. It's something that we all get along with really well, have a good time doing. It's not a big part of our business here, but if you need something drifting related, parts, car setup, advice, anything, feel free to reach out to us. We have experience on a lot of different platforms. You know, of course the 240 SX, that this one doesn't really look like because it's in a million pieces. But 240s, RX-7s, Corvettes, AE86s, a lot of it we've gone through. So we are just there for all of it if you need us. This car right here that I've been working on actually at home is S13 hatch. I'm just gonna build it and get it ready so it can be a kind of a seat time car, practice car, something that's affordable to drift. I got it with intents just to keep it going and yeah, get a lot of practice with it. It has a pretty basic Sr20 in it. R8 ignition coils, IDX 1050 injectors with a radium fuel rail, all new fuel lines and fittings from our friends over at Finish Line Factory, and it's fed by 2 Walboro 255s and a fuel cell that was already in the back when I got it. You know, I got it pretty much as a rolling shell, just had an engine and transmission sitting in there, so I turned it into a typical project, Wrenchmaster style, and took it all apart. Completely stripped it on the inside, painted it, and ran a new wiring specialties harness that we're now controlling with a Haltech Elite ECU, switch panel of course, and a Haltech IC7 digital dash. Has a T28 turbocharger. It's pretty much maxed out on 20 pounds. Tried to go to 25 PSI, but it just wasn't having it. Made no more power, so it's still a pretty good ripper like this, probably about 350 horsepower on E85. Welded diff, basic brake setup, and just some good tires. So we got it on the dyno the other night, took a good old beating and stayed together. So actually the very next day we took it to showtime and went drifting. Again, held together, so we're pretty confident in it and started doing some paint and body work and getting it back together now.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say